Lutheran Hospital is one of the first hospitals in the state to use a newly approved medical device for heart patients, and it's developing more options for certain patients. News Channel 15's Alyssa Ivinson explains in tonight's Stories for Your Well-Being.
That's right. We're talking about a new kind of stent for the heart, and this one is a better option for diabetics.
Our biggest problem has been diabetics.
That's not the case anymore, now that the FDA approved Medtronic's Resolute Integrity drug-eluting stent. Stents are wire mesh tubes that are put in arteries in the heart to help prop them open.
The arteries are like hollow tubes, and they tend to collapse over time as diseases build up in it or plaque builds up.
Dr. Sanjeev Agarwal with the Lutheran Medical Group says diabetics make up to 30 to 40% of people treated for coronary artery disease. Those patients tend to have smaller arteries, making some stents hard to fit. Diabetics are also more prone to scar tissue building up around the stent, or restenosis. So far in trials, the medication on the new Resolute stent seems to prevent that better. The Resolute stent is also more pliable.
Diabetics tend to have more plaque buildup, more around bends, so it's harder to maneuver those bends, and that's why these stents are a little bit easier access for that.
The older style of stent is made with one piece of metal, and a laser then cuts out the openings, and it can bend a little bit. The newer style of stent is made with one wire that then is wound around to make the shape, and that allows it to bend a lot more easily.
We have a little bit more ammunition by able to put these stents in these smaller arteries, diabetics, without thinking twice about it.
Lutheran participated in the trial for the Resolute stent, enrolling 12 patients over a few years, all leading up to the FDA's approval.
We did find that our patients that we enrolled, have done very well.
Non-diabetic patients can get the new stent too, but right now they're primarily indicated for diabetics. For Stories for Your Well-Being, I'm Alyssa Ivinson.
It's